When a Samsung dishwasher displays an error code, it indicates that water is not draining properly from the machine, resulting in slow or no drainage. The causes of this issue can include a clogged filter, hose, or nozzle, as well as bent hoses or plumbing problems. To resolve this issue, several steps can be taken. Firstly, the filter should be cleaned by separating it from its mount, then washing it thoroughly with warm water and mild soap. Additionally, the hose should be inspected for blockages by passing air through it while the dishwasher is switched off, and any blockages should be removed and the hose rinsed. The hose should also be adjusted to prevent bending. The nozzle should be inspected for any particles, cleaned with mild soap and water, and the pumping lines should be checked to ensure a free flow of water. By following these steps, the error code can be resolved, allowing the dishwasher to function properly.